Hello, Doc Kennedy back with my two French friends Claire and Jacques. Last time, we looked at a conversation between some people meeting on the street. Now let's take a look at the conversation that happened just before that meeting.
Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 1 heure.
Où allons-nous déjeuner?
Voulez-vous aller au Café de Paris?
Oui, c'est un très bon restaurant.
Et il est près d'ici.
Now let's take a look at what was said. First we heard, "What time is it?"
Quelle heure est-il?
Now you say, "What time is it?"
Quelle heure est-il?
The man responded, "It's 1 o'clock."
Il est 1 heure.
You say, "It's 1 o'clock."
Il est 1 heure.
From lesson 7, say, "It's 2 o'clock."
Il est 2 heures.
Madame Durand then asks, "Where are we going to have lunch?"
Où allons-nous déjeuner?
Let's break that down. Here is lunch.
Déjeuner,
You say, lunch.
déjeuner,
You say, "Where are we going to have lunch?"
où allons-nous déjeuner?
Mr. Lelong suggests, "Do you want to go to the Café de Paris?"
Voulez-vous aller au Café de Paris?
Say, "To the Café de Paris."
Au Café de Paris?
Say, "Do you want to go to the Café de Paris?"
Voulez-vous aller au Café de Paris?
Madame Durand says, "Yes, it's a very good restaurant."
Oui, c'est un très bon restaurant.
Say, "Very good restaurant."
Très bon restaurant.
Say, "Yes, it's a very good restaurant."
Oui, c'est un très bon restaurant.
And Mr. Lelong says, "And it's nearby."
Et il est près d'ici.
You say, "And it's nearby."
Et il est près d'ici.
Well done. See you next time.